Hello everybody, welcome back to Darsh On The Web. Also, every single video today, I'm gonna be telling guys how to corrupt any file, which might seem a bit weird because no one wants their file to be corrupted, right? But maybe you want to prank your friend by taking one of their files, corrupting it, and putting it in place where the normal file is, and they're pretty much praying because they cannot play the video if it is a video, or they can't open the file, which will freak them out, or whatever your reason. This trick will definitely work, and this will work on any operating system. You might be surprised. Yes, any operating system. So let's start. If you heard a boom noise kind of thing, that's just people burning firecrackers. Don't worry, they're eco-friendly firecrackers, so won't harm the environment. But we're gonna open up our browser, which is basically the reason that this will work on any operating system, because it's on the web. Alright, like Darsh on the web, everything's on the web. Get it? Okay, whatever. Well, now in the address bar, you're gonna type in corruptmyfile.com. I know, I type pretty slow, gotta say. And I'll put the link over here. Well, which you cannot click actually. You cannot click whatever the text that's over here, but it is the link of the website, and I'll also link it down in the description. Well, let's click on the first website, corruptmyfile.com. This will lead you to a website that kind of looks like from the 1990s, but it's very powerful. It can corrupt your file as soon as you import it. Matters on your internet speed, alright? Well, let's click on choose your file. And if you have a Dropbox account, which is where you save your file, then click on choose from Dropbox. But my file is on my computer. Why am I in my video editor's directories? That's kind of weird. But we're gonna import my intro in. Let's see how much my intro can handle this. Oh, that was way too quick. That was way too quick than I was expecting. I have a very strong internet connection right now, but this is way too fast. Oh my gosh. Even I'm not expecting it to be that fast. Oh, let's open this. And yeah, it's gone. It's done for. This file is pretty much just done for. It's unusable, and just leads me to the films and TV, which I don't really like that much. We'll close out of that. And let's shoot another file. You know, let's see. Wait, let's go to my background music collection. I know I have a lot of background music set up here, which is actually for my videos. It's not just for this one particular video. We're going with this one. And oh no, I have a feeling he did something way bad. Oh no, that was even quicker than last time, or maybe just like a few milliseconds later than last time, but. What? No, I don't mean to open the search. And done for. Yeah, it's what I expected. It's exactly what I expected from here. But let's run an experiment, alright? A quick experiment. I wonder if this will actually work. Let's corrupt my video editing app, which is kind of weird to be honest, but we're gonna do it. Yeah, it's already prompting me to save. Wow. I mean, I don't know why would anyone want to corrupt their files. Numbers of reasons there are in the world there. But let's open it up. That sounded kind of weird, gotta say. But, oh, whoa. Wait. Unknown publisher? No. The publisher is there. I just don't remember the publisher, obviously. Whoa, wait, what? It basically removed the publisher? And that's how it corrupted? Oh, that is shocking. But let's click on one anyway. I wonder what will happen. Oh, this app can run on your PC. To find a version for your PC, check with the software publisher. I don't know if you're able to see what I'm seeing right now, like a purple pop-up. But maybe you're able to see it, maybe you're not able to see it. I don't know. But we're gonna click on close up this pop-up because basically the publisher is unknown. I assume that the publisher is unknown, and then Windows thinks it's a virus or malware, and it's kind of confusing when you literally just corrupt an entire application. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stuff like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.